In this video, I will show you how to center your text on the Nakajima WPT-150. So first, obviously, you need to turn on your typewriter. Which starts your text to be typed outside of the first margin. And so if you look right here on the C button, it will say center. In order to do that on your page, you just need to press the code button and the C button at the same time, and your text will be centered. However, as you're typing, you're not going to see anything happen until you press return. That's because it's deciding how much room it needs. So, for instance, if I was typing sure to go today, that's my title, I will press return, and you'll see that that is when it